Hi there folks, Mark from Integrity Trading coming to you with another couple of trade reviews folks from last night's watch list. First of those was EURCAD, so let's have a look at the big picture first. So the weekly was okay, so just momentum up basically, that's all. Kind of flat ranging thing here, but momentum up. But what I saw here on the daily was this. Got an anchor break here on the daily, so we're heading down. Here's the daily anchor through here. So we've come back up, and then we've just given a single leg pullback through here, broken the anchor here, and then we've got some retracement through here. Here's the 38, here's the 50, here's the 61. But the area that I was interested in was this area through here. Right, so we broke the 200 as well, that little yellow line. And then we had this little pullback in here, so we're in a high momentum state, but not excessively. So looking for that, watching how it played out around the 50. So let's drill down to the 4 hour now. So these are the time frames. Most of you know that. And thank you for the comments on the previous videos too. I'm sorry I haven't bought more videos to you. So here is that setup. So you've got to remember folks, it's all about finding the right area. So we're looking at, this on the weekly, we're looking at this on the daily, and then we're drilling into here on the 4 hour. So, it's important that you look at the context of, all of the time frames you're working with, whether they be weekly, daily, 4 hour, or 60 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. So here's what that looked like on the dailies. So the daily was, the close was here. There's that little pullback in there. We've got the 20 period moving average here, the 8 period here. They're only just moving averages. They're nothing special. They're just a guide to momentum. But look, steady state trend. In other words, short-term momentum and medium-term momentum are kind of matched. So that's just a term that I use, steady state trend. But you can see we're kind of clear here. And we've got this price void through here. So that's what I like to see. So we had, price came up, pulled back. So we're just, in a nice trending environment. Nice push through here. And then we had this pause here. Now, even just on the 4 hour, when it comes to breakouts, we want to see just a little pause before the break. Otherwise, if it's too stretched, there's a chance that it'll certainly pull back. This wasn't too stretched. You can see the 8 here. So we had this, basically a spinning top or a narrow range, and an inside bar, another doji, and you could have even taken this on the 4 hour. So we had a doji, then a engulfing, so that's a positive sign. You could have taken it there with a stop under that one or under the swing, somewhere there, but the better one was on the 60 minutes. So let's have a look at that, because that gave us a bit more confirmation. So you can see prices pulled down here. We came up, we had another little pause here and another outside bar. All right, so a cut with handle. So even on the 60 minute, you can see we had two, price pushed into that level, two dojis, so stalling, and then another engulfing. So, entry could have been above there and price stopped below the swing. So, when you look at that, that's pretty tiny. Look, that's less than 25 pips. It's about 24 pips, even under the swing. Let's say 29, 30 pips. Well, you're easy got, 1 R in kind of, the next sort of couple of candles, and, then, kind of maximum that was on the table, even out of that breakout, was 115 pips. So, that was a great trade. You might get 1 or 2 good ones like this on the 4 hour, and then, a lot of sort of average. But that was a multi-hour sort of winner, that one. So EURCAD, and you notice I don't even use I only use a couple of the indicators and for specific things, and just to confirm what I'm seeing. So that was EURCAD. Now it's a quiet news week as well. So the second one was Pound Aussie. So the Pound Oz, so we had weekly's looking good. We've got this big A, B, shallow C here sitting on the 20. and the 8. So, you know, a reasonable sort of look here, a bit of a trending environment. Then on the daily, we had this big move up, move down, and then we had this, look, this ABC sort of set up in here with a pause at B. See, the best entries are always, you know, round B on these. You get a little consolidation there as well, that's even better, and then take the break through there. So this is what we're looking at, and you'll see it better when I go to the line chart. See it here? It's pretty good. So there's B, looking for a, you know, a pause in there. So let's have a look at what occurred. There's a 61 above here, so it's out of the way a little bit. When you switch to the 4 hour, you can see this is just looks, yeah, it looks messy. You know, it's hard to pick something out of that, but this is where it is here. This is that big ABC through there. So notice it's had a test of B. Very sharp, and then it's pulled back and given us another little consolidation in here. There's not actually a swing there, sorry, it's just a inside bar. So your entry was there, and I did say about this one, if the setup was good enough, there's the resistance. I said watch out, you know, around here, but this is already, you know, any of the effect from this, you know, this drive through here has been taken out with this. The fact that it's moved back up tells me that, you know, any of the sell from here is kind of gone. So, you know, breakout entry through there, you know, stop there. That was an outside bar engulfing another narrow range bar. So, you know, that was the result. Even if you got, you know, sort of cautious and took a partial there, bought your stop up early under here and then let the rest sort of ride to where you could. Yeah, so a couple of good ones there, and that was really all I saw. There was 3 trades. The other was Aussie yen, which moved. There was only 3 trades that I identified. Aussie trade moved, but the entry was very messy. So there you go, folks. Thank you for the comments. I hope those trade reviews help. Yeah, that one occurred, you know, during sort of my late hours, so that was reasonable. They don't always, so sometimes you just got to set an order and just leave it. We don't have the best time slot where I am, but anyway, it is what it is. So there we go. Thanks again, folks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.